The other day, I watched my dog, Max, chase a squirrel. Suddenly, he stopped, staring at a spot in the yard like he'd seen a ghost. I swear, in that moment, he unlocked the secrets of the universe. He tilted his head, as if pondering, what if there's a parallel universe where squirrels are my friends? I imagined him leaping through dimensions, barking at alternate versions of himself. One who's a cat person, another who's a professional fetch player. It made me wonder, do dogs have their own multiverse? Maybe in one, Max is the ruler of all pets, and in another, he's just a regular pup, blissfully unaware of the cosmic possibilities. Who knew a simple chase could spark such wild thoughts?